CRISPR Therapeutics' already steep uptrend surged even higher from a recent insider purchase of shares worth over $51 million by the director George Simeon, who bought 989,812 shares at $52.03 per share on July 16th. With its Q2 earnings fast approaching, bullish sentiment holds on even as the company widened its net loss by 17% to $136 million, because revenues jumped 71.6% year over year to $865 million. Another stock to keep an eye on into August is Opendoor, which popped on retail speculation and a bullish endorsement from hedge fund manager Eric Jackson, who highlighted the company's leaner cost structure and push for profitability. Yet there's still reportedly high short interest, which is attracting attention for presenting meme stock qualities. On the opposite end, there's Block, with concrete weight behind it as it will be added to the S&P 500 index on July 23rd. The payments firm behind Cash App and Square will be replacing Ascencore. The inclusion in the index means Block shares will be included in portfolios run by mutual funds and institutional managers. Block is also known for its integration of Bitcoin into its business model, holding 8,584 Bitcoins on its balance sheet, and more recently the potential integration of Bitcoin payments on Square terminals, generating excitement around its crypto strategy.